there was active vibration and frequency tuning required. I didn't know what I was looking for. When I did eventually find it, what came through was, it had a sound and a texture as well as words. So I'm just going to let myself drop into it for a second and try to find it. My voice is still raw, which you'll find out the reason in a moment. We remember, we remember, we remember, we remember. And there was something very important about the member. Like, we are remembering. We are coming together. It is a reunification. It is a recognition of the interconnectedness of consciousness and technology and spirit or energy, and the ways in which not being fully activated in that allows those powers and forces to be used against us.